Hi, this is Paul coming to you from the Virginia State Golf Association. This video will demonstrate how to create, publish, and push a notification for the VIP program on the VIP portal. First thing that you need to do is to get to the VIP portal, which is at www.vsgavipcard.com, and log in with the user ID and password that were supplied to you by the VSGA. After you log in, you will be brought to the dashboard, which on top has a set of brief instructions, and then below has a menu of the different things that you can do. We are going to click Add Offer. On the Add Offer screen, you will be presented with options to create whatever kinds of offers are available to you at the time. We're going to do a 2017 special offer. This assumes that you have already created a VIP offer. Before you can create any special offers, you have to create a VIP offer under the pricing guidelines that were supplied to you in your contract. Now, this is the Add and Edit Offer screen. I'm going to scroll down a little bit because we don't need the heading and we'd like to see everything we possibly can. The screen is divided into two. The left side has the things that you will be doing, the different steps that are required to create the offer. The right side is a calendar display. As we enter things on the left side, the results of what we entered are going to show up on the right side. Step 1 is select months. These are the months that your offer is valid. If the offer is only valid for January and February, you would just select January and February. You'll see that they're highlighted here on the left, and they're also highlighted here in the calendar on the right. We also have an All Months button that we can click and a Clear that will clear all the months. For this example, we're going to have all the months available. So I'll simply click All Months, click Next, and that takes us on to Step 2, Select Days. This works the same way as the Select Months. If our offer is only valid on Mondays, I will click Monday, and you will see all of our Mondays are highlighted. I can continue clicking. I also have an All Days shortcut button and a Clear button. For this demonstration, we're going to say that this offer is valid on all days. Next, set pricing, Step 3. First thing that you need to do is select a pricing option. Fixed dollar means that this offer would have a fixed amount off of what your standard green fees are. More common is the percent discount. This would be the percent off that the person is going to get when they use this offer. Now, Friday considered. Friday obviously is a weekday. However, for pricing purposes, some courses use weekday pricing for Fridays. Some courses use weekend pricing for Fridays. You just select here whether your Friday is considered weekday pricing or weekend pricing. For this, we're going to say that Friday is considered a weekday. Now we have to set the fees. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to say that there is a 30% discount for January and February and a 40% discount March through December. However, we're going to give them a slightly better discount on the weekends all year long. Similar to the selections in the first couple of steps, you would simply select the months that you want to set the pricing for. You would fill in what the pricing is going to be. So for our January and February, we're going to say 30% off the weekday fee and 35% off the weekend fee. So you can see we have January and February selected. We have 30 and 35 filled in. Now I'm going to click Set Fees. So you can see on the calendar section on the right, we have 30% here, 35% here. 30% is what our weekday fee discount is. That appears to the left of the month. 35% is our weekend fee discount. That appears to the right of the month. And you can see it's also set for February because we selected January and February. Now we need to do the rest of the year. Now I could do clear and then select all the rest of the months, or I can click all months and then deselect January and February. For March through December, we want our discount on the weekdays to be 40% and our discount on the weekends to be 45%. So now I have March through December selected. I have 40 and 45% entered. I click Set Fees, and you can see that for the remainder of the year, 40% is on the left of the month, which is our weekday discount. 45% is to the right of the month, which is our weekend discount, and that is March through December. If I need to reset any of these fees, let's say that I made a mistake and the weekend fee should be 50%, I can just make sure I have my appropriate month set, change the 45 to 50, click Set Fees, and you can see that it updated to 50. We'll just put that back to 45. And we can now click on Next. Set exclusions. Primarily, you can click on Holidays Excluded. We don't have a calendar or a list of holidays because different states, different cities can declare their own holidays. All this will do is put a piece of text in your offer that says Holidays Excluded. What you can do, however, if there are specific days that are not necessarily holidays that you want to exclude from the offer, you can simply go to the right side and click on individual days. So I just deselected May 31st. That might be an outing day, a specific day that I can't offer tea times. If I want to turn that back on, I would just click it again, but for this demo, we will just deselect it. Now we need to select the tea times that are available. Now let's say that on weekends, we really don't want to give up any morning tea time. So we're going to say that the earliest tea time for Saturdays is 1 o'clock and the earliest tea times for Sundays is 1 o'clock. And let's say on Fridays we have leagues starting at 5. So the latest tea time that I want to make available is 4 o'clock. Now I'm going to click Next. This is the number of times somebody can use this offer. You can set the number anywhere from 1 to 12. You can say it's per week, per month, or per year. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to say they can use it 4 times per year. And I click my Next. Special instructions and additional benefits. This is where you get to just type text in that is going to appear on the offer. An example of a special instruction is people have to wear collared shirts. Now, you might not allow jeans or shorts or cutoffs. This is where you would enter that. Additional benefits. You might be giving them a bucket of balls or something like this, 10% off food and drink. Again, it's just going to take whatever you put in there and it's going to put it into the offer. That is pretty much everything. I should review the right side here to make sure it looks like I want my offer to look, and then click Save and Preview. Once it has saved, it's going to bring you to the List Offers screen. This is the same screen. If you go to the dashboard and click on Existing Offers, it's the same screen. What I should do at this point is read over my offer, make sure everything looks fine. If there's anything wrong, I have an edit button here on the right. So I see that this excludes 531, and I didn't mean to do 531. So I'm going to go back and edit my offer. I'm going to put 531 back on, and it's actually July 31 that I wanted to exclude. So I deselected July 31 by just clicking on it. Now what I need to do is just get myself scrolled down, and I can jump right to submit offer. I can jump to any of these steps just by clicking on the heading. And I'm going to click on save and preview, and my exclude day has been changed. On the rest of the screen, offer type, this is obviously a 2017 special offer. This is the date that I created the offer, the number of redemptions, and this is the status. You can see that the offer has not been published yet, so no one can see this offer other than you. I have three options at this point. I can edit the offer, which is what I just did. I can publish the offer, which will make it visible to everyone and people can start using it, or I can delete the offer. Once I publish the offer, I will not be able to edit nor delete it. It can be edited or deleted. You just have to contact the VSGA office in order to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click my publish. Now you can see that the status has changed to publish. And now what's available to me is this send alert button. If I click on the send alert button, it will send a message to all the people that are using the VIP app that have opted to get these notices, and it will send them an alert on their phone. You can only push this button one time. If I were to push this, it would send out a message to all the people on the app, and this button will disappear. If you do need to make any changes, simply call the VSGA office and they can help you out with anything. Hope this video has been helpful. Again, if you need any help, contact the VSGA office and they will be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.